Welcome to Omi-Studio. Here, you will learn in detail about Onbase. This course equips professionals with the skills to manage documents and automate workflows using the Onbase ECM platform. In this course, we'll talk about the benefits of using Unity forms and how to create, edit, and publish your first form. After watching this course, you will be ready to start building your own forms. Every company has forms. You might be using traditional paper forms, fillable PDF forms, Onbase e-forms, or an Office template. However, each of these form types have limitations. Paper can get lost in the shuffle, and there's no way to validate the data on the form. Onbase e-forms require developers to have prior knowledge of programming languages such as HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. PDF and Office files are not easy to manage, update, and distribute. The contents on these forms are static and do not change based on user input. Unity forms were born to address these issues. So really, what are Unity forms? Well, here's the fancy answer. Even though this is great, let's get down to the meat and potatoes. I can create my form, test my form, and deploy my form to production faster than any other type of form. This means less time spent on project implementation. Forms are easy to configure. It's all point and click. The forms can actually help users enter correct data through validation. Unity forms are dynamic and can change based on user interaction. By not requiring the knowledge of programming languages, we are opening up more possibilities for these forms in organizations. We are able to give the ability for departments to design and create their own forms. Unity forms have more than just text boxes. Here are some functionalities that are supported in Unity forms. With an Onbase e-form, this may have taken some significant effort to create and update the logic for these items, but with Unity forms, it is a point-and-click or drag-and-drop away. Did I mention no coding? You may be thinking which clients can use Unity forms. Unity forms can be completed, retrieved, and edited in the Unity and web clients. No matter where you view or update Unity forms, the look and feel is the same. You can access forms in the office or on the go. Unity forms are supported on Windows and Mac operating systems. In Onbase 15 and earlier, Internet Explorer was the sole browser for Unity forms. As of Onbase 16, we have added Firefox, Chrome, Edge, and Safari. Unity forms are also supported on our mobile app. Forms can be completed, submitted, viewed, and even edited on mobile devices. Well, what are the other ways users can interact with Unity forms? Unity forms are not always completed from inside Onbase. In fact, there are several ways Onbase forms can be completed outside the Onbase world. With Unity Forms' Share Form functionality, you can post a link almost anywhere. Unity forms can be accessed from web portals or intranet sites. Once the form is submitted, it will be stored as a document in Onbase. A link can be posted in other storage systems like SharePoint. Maybe you have the need for people without Onbase accounts to complete forms. Within the sharing configuration, you can enable the forms to not require credentials. This still be authenticated on the backend. You can email the link or post a link on your company website. This is great for students, patients, clients, and customers that do not have an Onbase user account.